Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Tlauncher and launching the same profile you used when taking screenshots. Once done, quit Minecraft to avoid write locks. Make sure your OS Explorer shows hidden files because screenshots often live in hidden folders. Enable that now. Also note the exact Minecraft version and whether you ran in offline or modded mode, because folder paths can differ. Doing these first steps saves time and prevents duplicate searches later when you need the image files quickly. Now search the Tlauncher profile folder for the Minecraft directory. Screenshots are usually in the Screenshots subfolder. Once inside, inspect version-specific folders or the Saves folder if you were in a world-based capture. If you run mods or an alternate launcher instance, check additional profile names. Use your File Explorer search for PNG and sort by date to quickly find recent captures. You can also filter by file size. Game screenshots are typically a few hundred KB to several MB, and copy the images out for safekeeping. Finally, copy the screenshots to a separate folder so Tlauncher updates or reinstalls won't remove them. That also makes sharing simple. If you can't find images, relaunch Minecraft and press the screenshot key to confirm the location, then search again. If files appear missing, check file permissions and hidden status, and restore from backup if you have one. As a troubleshooting tip, confirm you didn't use a third-party screenshot mod that saves elsewhere, and repair permissions or run Tlauncher as the same user to access the files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.